Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Move Your Heart. I'm going to demonstrate this song on a guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose because I'm going to focus on the timing of the chords, which will be the same for every instrument. If you haven't already, please click on link number 1 in this video's description and that'll take you to a chord chart that you'll need to follow along. And we're going to jump in at the chorus. So I'll start by just strumming one strum per beat and going through the chorus. You'll see the number of beats per chord displayed on the screen as I go. 1, 2, 3. I just wanna move your heart. It's all I wanna do. I just wanna stand in awe and pour my love on you, no matter how much the cost. I freely give it all to you, all to you. So you may have noticed that the pattern throughout the chorus was just A for 2 beats, E for 2 beats, B for 4 beats. Note that chorus 1 and chorus 2 have identical chords, just different lyrics. Moving on, we're going to do the verses, and the verses are a little bit different from each other. So I'll start with verse 1, which is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus, Jesus, precious Lord, none on the earth or heaven above that I have found more beautiful. You are my treasure, my great reward. Now verse 2 has a slight change at the end, which is that the final B in verse 2 is only 2 beats. So here's how the last line of verse 2 would go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, just to bless you. Now we're going to do the bridge. So here's how the bridge goes. 1, 2, 3. Is it a fragrance? Then I'll pour my oil out. Is it a life laid down? Then here I give my vows. Is it a song I sing? Then here's every melody. Just tell me what moves you. Tell me what moves you. So that just leaves one part of the song, which is the intro and interludes. And that's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now with that, we've gone over every part of this song. So at this point, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. If you think you're going to have any trouble keeping up with my tempo, not a problem. Just go into the playback settings of this video and change the playback speed to something slower like 0.75x, which will make me sound really weird, but as long as you can keep up, that's what really matters. We're going to start with the intro chords, then do verse 1, verse 2, chorus 1, chorus 2, bridge, and then just for good measure, end with a chorus. 1, 2, 3, intro chords. Repeat. E. Verse 1. Jesus, Jesus, precious Lord, none on the earth or heaven above that I have found more beautiful. You are my treasure, my great reward. Go into verse 2. Jesus, Jesus, my offering, all my ambitions, my hopes, my dreams. And here's my life, Lord, a sacrifice, oh, just to bless you. Go to the chorus 1. I just want to move your heart. It's all I want to do. I just want to stand in awe and pour my love on you, no matter how much the cost. I freely give it all to you, all to you. Chorus 2. I just wanna move your heart, get caught within your gaze, right here in your presence, God, is where I wanna stay. Oh, just to dwell in your house, waste my hours and my days on you. Now go to the bridge. Is it a fragrance? Then I'll pour my oil out. Is it a life laid down? Then here I give my vows. Is it a song I sing? Then here's every melody. Just tell me what moves you. Tell me what moves you. I just wanna move your heart. It's all I wanna do. I just wanna stand in awe and pour my love on you, no matter how much the cost. I freely give it all to you, all to you. And on an E. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.